everyone, welcome back to STEM for Others. Today we're going to cover the last two applications of material science, starting with our energy application. Our example for this is wind turbine blades. So if we think of engineering a wind turbine blade, we need something that is going to be lightweight enough to spin fastly and generate energy, while also being stable and secure. So this is why we require high stiffness, low fatigue, and lightweight materials, such as glass fiber skins, carbon fiber spar caps, as well as a type of foam. And this foam will add to the stiffness within the core of the blades, keeping them stable with minimal mass, contributing to their lightweight property. And this is a way we can engineer these blades without limiting their purpose or function. Our second application we're going to talk about today is a biomedical application of material science. And we have for our example, hip and knee replacements. This is a big topic. So metals are used for structure, polymer, ceramic surfaces interacting against metal reduce wear and deterioration. So it's important that we're putting something in someone that is going to be able to last a long time because, joints move around, and it's important that we keep it very structured in a way that's not going to deteriorate easily. So that's why we can use metals as well with a polymer ceramic surface. So when they're interacting, it's not going to cause any harm to the patient. Titanium is a metal that is often used, especially for its ability to integrate well into the bone in growth due to its natural surface layer. So we use titanium because it is very easily incorporated into the bone growth, and that's very important because when you get an implant, especially if you're younger or something, if you're having growth or your bone is broken or there's some fracture and it needs to regrow, it's important to have a metal in there that's going to integrate well within the bone so it's not causing any unnecessary health problems. Thank you so much for this video.